If I lost everything today, no audience, no experience, and no money, this is the easiest online business I will start from scratch. I'm talking about selling simple digital PDFs that people buy every single day, things like planners, checklists, guides, and templates. And the best part, you don't need to write a book or show your face or even design from scratch. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to start a PDF business step by step, where to sell, how to create your files using AI tools, and how to get buyers even if no one knows you. So stick around until the end so I can show you how to make your first $100 fast, even if you have never sold anything online before. Now let's get into the video. So what exactly is a PDF business I want to talk about that you can do as the easiest business for a beginner to start? So what you will do is for you to simply create a digital files that solve a small problems, which means you are targeting each individual the small problems they might be facing and you sell them online. So what I mean is that think of it like people need budget trackers, wedding planners, resume templates, ebook guides, and printable journals. So you make all those once, upload them online, and every time someone download them, you get paid. And which is literally a passive income, as this can never go out of date, as there is no even shipping, no customer calls, and you can do everything from your laptop or your phone. So this is a passive income that is actually perfect for a beginner. So stick with me and let me show you step by step on how you can get traffic and also make over $100 from this business idea. As a beginner, what you need to do first is to pick up a niche. So picking up a niche is what I'm showing you right now on this page. Is you going to a ETS platform or any platform for you to go ahead and search an example of like printable planner. You can also go ahead and search whatever niche you want to work on. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys an example of printable planner where you can actually see different templates of people that have already been uploaded on this platform. So this is me showing you how people are already working on simple PDF business that are already making them passive income. And you can also go ahead and search for the low ones, so the one that have less saturation, such as self-care journals, side hustle trackers, fitness habits planners, wedding budget guides, dicta declutter checklist. So this one have less saturation, which you can also go ahead and work with. So don't go ahead and start competing already with the bestseller on this platform. Just go ahead and look for where there is minimum traffic, where you can actually start to build on your own passive income. Once you have chosen your idea, it is time to create your PDF. So we are using canva.com to create our PDF. As we all know, Canva has over thousands of free templates for us to work with. So what you need to do is we are using budget planner templates where we pick one, we change the name, colors, and maybe also add your logo or social handle. So we are going to pick one right here on this one to work with. And again, if you don't know what to type inside, with the help of AI, and the AI we are going to use is called ChatGPT, which is already being popular known. So we are going to type something like create a 10-page digital self-care journal with daily prompt and reflection questions. So then you copy this prompt on your ChatGPT, you paste it just like this, and it will load out a different write-up that you can use. So you can go ahead and create and recreate more so for yourself. So you can go ahead and paste this. And I'm going to show you another hack, another very simple way using ChatGPT to create that journal instead of you going ahead and start filling up on canva.com using their own already made templates. But from ChatGPT, you can go ahead with the help of AI and create the journal templates with just simple prompt. Just follow me through and I'll show you. You can see right here is already made the journal. So what you can do with this now, just for you to copy and paste, and if you want to go ahead and use Canva, copy this, take it to Canva, edit it one by one to your own specific or unique template. But if you want to use what another idea I have here is by going ahead and making sure you tell ChatGPT to print out the PDF in a fillable digital PDF for typing. So what I mean is that ChatGPT will be the one to even create the journal in PDF format, and it's going to be in a way that it can be filled and print out by the customers who is going to be buying my digital product. So I said yes, print it out in this fillable, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to print out for us. And I'm going to show you guys the final result, and you can see ChatGPT right here is asking me I should go ahead and choose the color. Like I said, you can go ahead and choose color front or also put your social handle. So I'll be going ahead with black and white, modern sans serif, and also this is name I want to name my PDF. So let's go ahead and click on it and see what it will show us. So right now is ChatGPT analyzing and trying to create the printable fillable digital self-care journal in PDF format, and it said it's already available. So you can go ahead, let's go ahead and download this right here, and let me show you the content inside this, and for you to know how easy you can do this instead of you going ahead and start using Canva to fill up one by one. So you can see right here, this is a 12 pages. Within few seconds it is being created already with ChatGPT. So this is how fast you can use AI tools to leverage your earnings as a beginner on this platform. So you can see right here is already made. So this is very easy for you to just go ahead and start uploading on the platform I will be showing you at the end of this video for you to sell to your traffic. So right here is already made templates. You can see as very easy as this. So this is easy. Just go ahead, use your AI tools, and you can also go ahead, if you don't like this template, go ahead and use ChatGPT as also use Canva to complete your own unique template. So this is how simple you can go ahead and start your PDF business. So what next I'll be showing you guys is how you can also sell PDF. So make sure you stick to the end, and you can also, so what I'm showing here is for you to go ahead and pick up any template you want to use to complete your own. So I'll be going next, and I'll be showing you guys on how you can actually sell this template. As what mostly we are here for is how we can actually make money from this. So what I'm going to be using is called Gumroad. So Gumroad is actually a free platform for someone who want to make their own first dollar online, and they will get paid directly to their bank accounts. So what next is for you to, if you don't have a profile already on Gumroad, you can go ahead and click on start selling, or if you have a profile, you click on login. Just log in with your email address. Let me show you how this is done, and I'm going to show you that this platform has already been used, which I use to make my own money when I'm selling PDF business. So you can log in with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, and all that. And as a new user, you can go ahead and fill up with your email address and password, and you click on create account. So when you create account, you already have an access. So let me show you how the dashboard will look like, and also guide you on how you can go ahead and upload your documents. You already know we already have a PDF generated using ChatGPT. So it will be more easier for us to go ahead on Gumroad to upload. You can see right here is dashboards showing you welcome aboard, and how you can also create your first product on this platform. So you can click on products. So right here is my previous PDF I've uploaded on this platform. So you can go ahead and let's click on the new product, as where this is us uploading our new products that we want to advertise to the new users, or to the new people who is going to be benefiting from our own PDF. So let's click on new products and look for our name of the product. So our name of the product is actually 10-day self-care journal. So you can go back to maybe ChatGPT and let's see the title we use. So this is actually going to be a very unique way. So you can see right here, there is digital, there is course, there is ebook, there is membership, and there is bundle. They are different. So if you are somebody that want a membership where people can actually be paying for your knowledge, so this right here platform is the best for you. So let's go ahead to ChatGPT and let's see the topic we use. So you can see right here, you already have the journal head, and the PDF is already been ready for us. So this is me looking for the topic I'm going to type out so you can see to match up with the content inside the journal. So I think using a 10-page digital self-corner journal will be perfect for this, as this is what the journal actually contains. So we already wrote on this using ChatGPT, and let's go ahead and let's copy the 10-page digital self-care journal, as this is what I will be using as a PDF name. So I'll go ahead and type it here, and we already know is PDF. PDF also is also a digital product and it's also an ebook. But I'll be going ahead picking up an ebook here and what price. And also, if you want to offer services, whether commission, call, or coffee, can go ahead and make use of it. So I'm putting $5 as my sales price for this ebook, for just an ebook I generated within few minutes using ChatGPT. So I'll go ahead and click on next customize and see what is up again for me to complete uploading my PDF on this platform, as this is actually free. In case you are not aware, it's actually free for you to upload on Gumroad. Just go ahead, upload, input all the descriptions, all the title, all the tags that you want to use, and thumbnail, the photos and the cover book and all that. Upload it on Gumroad, and also upload what maybe like a reviews for people who want to check out, people who have already gotten this on this platform. How many pages? Yes, it's 12 pages that we have on this. 12 pages generated for free actually with $5 that you can also even put allow customer to pay what they want, allow customer to pay instrumentally. So these are the each feature that this platform actually have. Then when you are done, you go ahead and click on save and continue. And let's also check content. This is where you enter the content you want to sell, you upload a file, and you start typing. So you can type out the content you want people to see, and also you click on the share where it will give you out the link after you are done uploading. So when you are done uploading right here, when you go back to your products on Gumroad dashboard, you can actually see your link. So from the link is what you are going to now go ahead and start sharing, and I'm going to show you guys 3 platforms that can get you traffic directly to this thing. So the first one right here is what is on my page, which is Pinterest. So for Pinterest is actually where you can literally just make people to look for PDF and printables. So what you do right here is for you to go ahead and create pins showing your products preview, and you also make sure you link them to your Gumroad store. So use keyword like self-care, journal printable, or budget planner download. So the next one I'll be talking about is TikTok. So TikTok, you can actually go ahead and post short videos on showing template or going ahead and start sharing daily motivation tips with your Gumroad link in your bio. So the last one I'll be showing you is Reddit. So we already Reddit is actually the act of the internet where people can actually get more information. So you can go ahead and join each subreddit where you can search like out entrepreneur, outputables planners, out productivity, where you can go ahead and share helpful posts with your product mentioning naturally. So you can see right here, they have millions of followers for you to just go ahead and which you can go ahead and don't go ahead as a marketer, go ahead as somebody who is there to share an helpful post and with your link directly to your Gumroad, where you can actually refer people who actually find value in your helpful post on this platform. So you can also go ahead and check out the printables, and you can also go ahead and also check out the productivity where they actually have millions of followers for you to go there and talk to them, help them from their post, and you go ahead and link your link in the post. So for you to direct the traffic directly to your own page where you're actually selling the product. So right here you can see is productivity with over millions of followers. So this is used to show that Redis is actually where you can actually get more traffic. So you can make use of the 3 platforms I mentioned, which is Pinterest, TikTok, and also Gumroad. So for this is actually an idea for you to make money. So what is that? People are actually making thousands of money from this. On ETS alone, people are making over 12,000 per month. And what did they do? They actually go ahead and create so simple as budget trackers, just like the one I'm showing you. They make over 20,000 sales and they already earn over $12,000 per month, and already making over 20,000 sales in a month has already made you an $100,000. And this is actually very simple. So yes, you don't need to copy them. You just have to learn their format, learn how they work it out. Then you can also apply this on your own page. So first is Canva is for design, while we are using ChatGPT for content, and we are going to be using Gumroad for selling. So Gum is actually where we sell our product. So once you click on product, you click on new product, we go ahead and start to sell the PDF we generate with ChatGPT or the one we generate with Canva. And the last one is Pinterest, TikTok, and also Reddit, where we are using for traffic. And the best part is that this product actually keeps selling even when you are sleeping. So if you want to make the full video or you gain value from this video right now, just go ahead and type PDF business. So guys, thank you for watching.